Creating a login button. So now we need to create our login button. Grab a rounded rectangle tool, set the radius to the same 9 pixels and drag it over. Like this. Seems alright. Set the color to this bluish. I don't remember what this was. It's 65BDDF. Right. Close this up. Well, we probably need to increase the width of this button, so grab a direct selection tool, grab these ones and just pressing the shift on your keyboard and the arrow down key also on your keyboard. We could increase the width of the button, which this seems like okay. Name our layer a button BG, and now we could add a text for it. Login. Make it white. What about the sizing? Probably our BG a little bit too much. We need to decrease the size a little bit, like this one. Seems okay. Login. Center it up by Ctrl plus click on your keyboard, and this one. And while it's have, select your move tool, press this one alignment. And we got aligned. Alright, so the next thing I think about the sizing. Probably a little bit more, or maybe not. Maybe we are going to leave this size to 30. Let's make it 30. Alright, so we have our login button created.